This is the newest EV IPO launched with much fanfare. The million-dollar question is, should you buy or wait? In this video, we are going to talk about what is Rivian and about its IPO, how come they are the biggest US company with no sales, and at the end, my perspective whether it is the right time to buy or wait before you jump onto this bandwagon. Hi, my name is Sunny and I make videos that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button, as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which will be highly appreciated. It is an American pure EV maker founded in 2009, where they have come up with a pickup truck, SUV and a van. As per the company's website, they have designed both for on-road and off-road driving, while the EV van is being developed for local deliveries. Like all new cool technologies, it was started out of California, but now having their research facilities all over the place, where they have started working on EV autonomous technologies too. According to their website, their basic EV pickup truck starts from $67,500, while their EV SUV starts at US $70,000. You can further customize both of them by adding features or having a larger battery pack, thus the price varies according to it. If you ask me, these are on the high end price points for both pickup as well as the SUV. Recently its IPO came up. There was a lot of buzz and excitement about it, where people were eager to get their hands onto the stock. Naturally, it skyrocketed in a few days. The IPO was priced at $78 a share, which enabled them to raise $11.5 billion, giving it a market cap of $77 billion. Just as a perspective, GM has a market cap of $85 billion, Ford at $80 billion, and of course Tesla at $1 trillion. And as a side note, all three of them have got a revenue to show, and you can see their vehicles on the road. Even though Amazon owns 20%, while Ford has 13% stake in this new EV, but it added another milestone to itself by becoming the biggest US company by market cap that has got no sales to show. I know at times investors try to give lofty valuations just to an idea which might look different or disruptive, but surely Rivian has gone past that idea stage. They have got tentative order of 100,000 EV vans from Amazon, along with some reservations for their trucks and SUVs, but definitely no sales as of now. Its stock has gone up almost 40% in a week to $140 a share on the day of recording, thus giving it a market cap of $110 billion, which looks very over the top, at least to me. But such lofty valuations at times remind me of the dot-com era, where anything related even remotely to software or internet goes to the moon quickly. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying there is nothing to show for Rivian, but $110 billion market cap with no sales as of now looks a bit stretched to me. You will agree with me that the era of internal combustion engine is on the decline and the sun is rising on electric vehicle technology. When there is a lot of money to be made, everybody jumps onto that bandwagon, which saturates the market with similar products and services, yet promising something very different. As investors, we have seen it over the years. Sometimes technology is in fashion, in others pharma is in vogue, and today's times EVs are a hot commodity. As investors, we need to declutter, think through the sales pitch and analyze which makes sense to us or not, because we are putting in our hard-earned money with an expectation of growth. In my humble opinion, the big money has already been made when in 2019, Amazon invested close to $1 billion for 20% stake, which is now worth $22 billion. Or when Ford invested $500 million for 13% stake, now worth about $14 billion. Not a bad return in short time. What do you think? Please do write in the comment section below. Now, guys like you and me are trying to do the catch up, hoping that we can also 5x or 10x our money like the big boys have done, which some of us might be able to do, but at what risk? Just ask yourself. I'm definitely not saying there is no future growth in the valuation for this company, but in my opinion, not yet. Because the time will come when investors will realize that they have gone out of whack as far as their valuations are concerned. This has happened even to Tesla when it was flat for last few months while it was catching up its valuations with the fundamentals. And don't get me wrong, Rivian is not Tesla, at least yet. For sure, I don't want to be caught at that moment when there is a lot of selling pressure. Remember, anything that has gone up 40% in a week surely can go down in the same amount of time. But that is me, I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing based on your own risk tolerance. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. This is my take on the topic, Rivian IPO, buy or wait. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.